Hi Vidya and welcome to New York. We are on Madison Avenue and as the Grand Marshal of the India Day Parade with the FI and part of Zoom. I think it's the second time we are together here.
Yes, hi Omar. It feels wonderful to be in New York. And yes, we are here together for the second time. 3 years ago, we launched Zoom and Times Now, and it's done stupendously well. And I'm happy to have been invited by Zoom and Times Now this year as the Grand Marshal for the India Day Parade. And my God, the number of people on the streets, fellow Indians celebrating India in all its glory. My God, it was a very emotional moment. You know, I was really overwhelmed.
Lakhs and lakhs of people all lining up and they've never seen a Grand Marshal like you who stayed right till the end.
I'm a sucker for love and affection, and I was receiving so much of it right from the time I set foot here. I've been welcomed with open arms, and I'm just very, very greedy for love.
We are also celebrating Zoom's 9th anniversary and we're going to get naughty at 9. So it's time to get naughty in New York.
Yes, it is time to get naughty in New York. So ask me your questions, and I shall give you not so naughty answers.
What's the naughtiest you've ever got?
For God's sake. We are here for the India Day Parade. But the naughtiest I've gotten is, in school, when I took a friend's sweater, she knitted that sweater, and for our knitting class, I submitted that. And both of us were given zeros because we cheated.
Oh my God.
Because, I didn't knit. I couldn't knit. I didn't like to knit. So I lied.
What's your take on cheating?
Since you said naughty, I'm talking about nitty.
Oh my God, that's gone. Tell me. Yeah, but quickly, what's your take on cheating?
What's my take on cheating? I don't think cheating's a good thing, but I think we all do it from time to time. And as long as you know that you're doing it once in a while and for really harmless things, it's fine. I think, in the bigger issues in life, it's a no-no.
You've never cheated?
No.
Never had your your girlfriend's boyfriend?
Never? Oh, no! Luckily for me, never.
What do you
The boyfriends have eyed me.
Uh-huh. Tell me, Vidya, what do you check out first thing in a guy?
You want me to really tell you the truth? His back. What I meant is the back of his head.
Oh, okay.
It just gives me.
I believe.
No, genuinely. It just gives you an indication of the person, how he holds his head together. Okay, that's utter rubbish.
That's other.
No, I think.
I believe.
No, I think a man's eyes, his smile, and his voice. Yeah.
And what's the dirtiest you've ever got? Thank you again, Vidya. It was wonderful getting naughty with you in New York. Yeah, and we must do that.
That naughty also
With
because
them.
it's the India Day Parade. But if you really want a naughty interview, we'll come back soon.
We'll be back.
Thank
Bye.
you.